it is me, Xureila, and I'm back with another wig review video. So today's wig is from Asteria hair, and I've worked with them before. Love their hair, love their hair. This is a 24-inch curly HD 5x5 lace closure wig. It is 180% density, and everything about this hair will be linked down below. I did 3 different hairstyles, so let me know which one's your favorite. The middle part, the half up, half down, or the claw clip, half up, half down type of style. So yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Asteria hair if you are interested. I actually did this wig install on a live stream on my Twitch, so go follow me on Twitch, links down below if y'all want to see more content like that on my Twitch. But yeah, y'all, hopefully y'all enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broken mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump off my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, way. Baby, I ain't buying no more dreams, so what you selling? My pockets got dry from the bullshit, but if you so for real, you could get wet, but not too much. Don't wanna drown a flame, keep that fire lit. Breathe life into it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? If you get me till we 6 feet under stress, or if it's fly without me. Spin, move in the rain, drop to your knees. Passion on Venus, never kill the flame, keep that fire lit. Show me why you deserve it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? If you get me, till we 6 feet under stress, or if it's all sweet, just hold me down deep. We won't burn out here with me. We could be always heat, always, 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 always. Do, yeah. That easy bake can make her never wanna leave, so we stay always in. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural. Edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take your. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind.